How to watch live on TikTok Lite. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video we are going to be discussing how we can find live videos and then watch them on the TikTok Lite application. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Basically all you need to do is just go ahead and launch the TikTok Lite app on your phone. Once you launch the TikTok Lite app, you can see I'm on the home page basically, and I'm also on the discover page, and you can see there isn't any of the section to find out live videos. Even if I come to the home tab, you can see I don't have the option to find who is currently live on TikTok. No matter how much I scroll, there won't come a specific live video. So why does this happen? That is because TikTok Lite does not actually support the live video, because if you want to watch live videos on TikTok Lite, you need to definitely have the TikTok application as a mainstream. So even if I go to account page, or if I go to the inbox section, you can see I do not have such option to be able to find live videos. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.